welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be how to get this hairstyle here. So it's just a super relaxed, wavy kind of hairstyle. It does require a few hot tools, but nothing too long or nothing too crazy. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on post notifications so you get notifications whenever I post a video. And without further ado, let's get into it. This is just my natural hair. I haven't put anything in it or done anything to it yet. So first off, I'm gonna start with this here. It's just from my hair salon. It's smooth keratin infused, and then it just helps detangle my hair. Just run it through the bottoms. Most of the product that I use only goes in the bottom and the front pieces here. This is just gonna make my hair overall like more smooth. Okay, so then I'm just gonna take my brush and I'm gonna brush my hair out. So now my hair is a little bit straighter, less crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it. So first I'm gonna section it in half. And I just use this here to help control the heat. I'm gonna use a round brush. So go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to section the top and do that as well. The bottom is dry. Now I'm gonna do the top. Okay, so then usually after I shower or after I blow dry my hair, I use my Jizu honey infused oil. I'm gonna go ahead and I put a super small amount and apply it only to the bottoms. Okay? Okay, done. For the curler, I'm just gonna be using my Numi wand. Yeah. So I'm gonna be using this. So while we're waiting for that to heat up, you can go ahead and section your hair off. Okay, so grab that piece in the back of your hair. And I'm going to put this like a little wave in it and I'm gonna hold the end so that it's still straight. I'm just alternating which side has the, like which way the wave goes. So this piece is a bit longer, so I did 2 wraparound rather than 1. But I'm still keeping a good amount of hair out. That one's really curly, but it should be fine once we run our fingers through it at the end. This is the piece at the front, so I'm going to just smooth out the pieces here. And then, see how much hair I have left over? And let it fall. Those pieces we're gonna straighten once we're done. And you're gonna just continue and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so I haven't straightened the bottoms of my hair yet. I'm going to curl the rest and then straighten it all at once. So I'll show you how to do that as well. Okay, so you just wanna section it half and half, or however you prefer to curl your hair. These pieces I'm probably gonna wrap around twice just because they're not as short. And now complete the same thing on the other side. Okay, so for some of these I'm wrapping them 3 times, but I still have a lot of hair, so it just depends on how long your hair is. Okay, so now that my hair is like curly straight, I'm going to get my straightener and just straighten out a few pieces, and I will show you how to do that. Just give me 1 sec. So you can see these pieces are really spirally, which I don't like, but at the end when we like mess it all up, it's gonna look a little bit different. And you can see that this piece is kind of like fraying a little bit, like a little bit messy. We don't want that, we want it to be smooth, so we would just take our straightener, straighten that out. I'm literally just straightening the ends. So those pieces were too curly for me, so I just ran this over. I didn't close it all the way. I just ran it over top like this, and then I'll actually straighten the bottom pieces. that's how this side looks now. It looks a little bit more like edgy, like I did it like this on purpose. Whereas this side just looks like you forgot to do some pieces at the bottom. So we're gonna touch that side up now. Okay. So now that we've straightened all the bottom pieces, you can see how it looks a little bit different. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm just going to go like this. I'm just messing it up. All your hard work, just mess it up. And this is why you don't curl the top pieces too much, because otherwise it will look like you like curled it and then straightened it. You want it to be really soft curls, like a wavy look. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Bumble and Bumble dry shampoo and style extender volume all together. So you want to just put that in your hair. I'm going to put it in the end so it gives it a thicker look. So you just shake it out. This is a dry conditioner. I'm just going to spray it in the bottoms to give it some shine. Okay guys, and there it is, the finished look. This is just like a messy kind of wavy look for short hair. I do really like this look. It looks a little bit more mature. It's not like curly Sue hair, but it's not straight either. It just has some nice texture to it. So if you like this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up because I appreciate it so much. And if you guys want to see any more videos like this of me doing hair, makeup, whatever you prefer, just let me know down below and I will definitely be sure to do that for you guys. And that would be everything today. So I hope you guys have a great week and I will see you next week. Bye. Done. If you want more texture, you can take your dry shampoo. Is this dry shampoo? No, this isn't.